Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, as promised, I'm continuing with the Mercedes-Benz video series, and as I told you in my previous video, this next car is gonna be one amazing SL500. As you know, the SL500 does have a retractable convertible roof, and in this model this roof works as it does on the real car. The SL500 is finished in a beautiful black color. It's made by Motor Max. As you can see, the model is in a box, brand new. It had never been opened before, and now for the first time I'm gonna open it up so I can show it to you guys on the channel. Okay, so here we got the beautiful black Mercedes SL500 convertible with the top down. Okay, so now finally we got the SL in its full beauty. The front end of the car is simply amazing. And now let's get on to the coolest part, showing you the retractable top. So going from convertible to coupe, we gotta do a few things to make it happen. You see, the top is in the trunk, goes on like that, clips on. Then the little pieces over here, you gotta go like that. this. Let's see. Is it fully done? Let me check. Oh, this one came off. Okay. The top is on. Then, if we want to take it back off, we do the opposite. Like that. These things come up. Carefully do the top off. Okay. Take this out. The roof slides in after retracting. And this part looks like this. And the top goes there. Also, I forgot to mention that in the box there was this nice manual that can be used to operate the roof. Okay guys, this is gonna be it for that video. As you can see, the SL is back in the box. I'm gonna have one more video in this series, as I told you, and in the last third video I'm gonna show you a nice high-end Mercedes luxury car. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. This way you ain't gonna miss any of my new videos. As always, thanks for watching.